Hi, welcome back. So, in preparation for the next dyno and the next change, I still will do any change on the barrel, but we will modify the intake. So, I will have from the other barrel the intake that are modified for future flow and in preparation for a bigger carb. So I will pause a moment, deinstall this one and go further with the changes that I did, and then put all back together to make the dyno run and see what it is, the result. So I deinstall the original one, so you can see here it is completely coming like out of the box. With the intake specially made for 30 millimeters. When I make the internal measuring, is roughly 30 millimeters. But here, for instance, in the white, it is 30 millimeters as well. So what I did is actually, and you see here, some very sharp corners not really flowed. So I looked then into it to open up, at least to have it here in this white of 33 millimeters, and I rounded here the shapes, the intakes, but the rubber is still the original one with 30 millimeters, as I'm still using the 30 millimeters. But with that width of 60 millimeters rubber mounting, you are easily can now install 35 millimeters carburetor that would fit easily into it. So, but to have not too many changes on the first place, so I will swap now this intake only to the modification one without bigger carburetor. So I do not expect many more horsepower, maybe a little bit more over rev, but not more. And also, as an alternative to doing all this work, you could buy some other aftermarket ones that it's actually made with modification for Monza as well. But the advantage of this one is here you have already a stuffer that is fitting perfectly into the square opening of the intake, and you here have just a round opening. So I would recommend it if you use an aftermarket with a stuffer, aftermarket stuffer as well. And then you can even run carbs of millimeters, like having huge one of up to 39 millimeters. Let's see, we will continue with 30 millimeters and with this modification on. I make a pause, watch out, and thank you for staying. So I have now installed the modified intake. All the rest is the same. And let's see what it will bring. I will start the engine soon. Please watch the volume. And I hope you can see everything good. So obviously, and